What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, we are taking a look at Tesla stock options analysis, guys. So we'll do the technical analysis together with mostly we'll spend the time on the options analysis, and we'll put a confluence together with the technicals here as what I'm seeing on the option side and what type of options may come to fruition for this upcoming week expiration, and what options I am seeing may go worthless. And there's some data, just like always, that I just see. I had no clue why traders are betting the options on the wrong direction as well. So we'll talk about all of that in this video. Now, if you want to know more about the technicals on Tesla, I did a video on this morning, Tesla stock analysis, possible upside this week. So check this video out on my channel, guys. This will give you a lot of technicals understanding already that is to be expected on Tesla. Just to very quickly, I'll still give you a bit of high level glance on the Tesla technicals, but we'll spend most of the time on the options. So with that, please hit the like and subscribe, and also please note, none of this is any financial advice. It's only for education purposes. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes. I'm here only providing just my opinion, nothing more than that, and there's guarantee of nothing. Okay, so Tesla, simply put it, guys, Tesla is bullish in my opinion as long as it's above $160 and $164, and it's a confirmed bullishness. If we lose 160, it's still bullish in the structure. Some intraday weakness may come down to 152, but that will just still be the structure to the upside. It's, however, the confirmed bullish structure to the massive upside again is we want to see Tesla not break below 160 and $164. This is structure that we have recaptured. We want to hold it for the continuation to the upside, okay, without waiting for another setup to come if we cool up. But if we lose 152, then it's game over again. All right, so that's a high level outlook on the technicals, but yes, we are bullish. Now, if you want to know much more depth in detail, the technicals on Tesla, check out my video that I did this morning right over here. That will tell you everything, and you should see that if you need to understand as we will go through the options now. But this is a high level premises of that. Okay, so what I'm seeing on the option side, data, guys. So black line is last trading day closing price. Green are the calls, red are the puts for the this week expiration. And right off the gate, what am I seeing, guys? $140 puts, spike, maximum spike. Again, options doesn't guarantee price is gonna go there. It only tells you where the traders are betting their money. And unfortunately, guys, right now technicals are not confirming $140. Okay, this is just ridiculous. You know, the yeah, like 140. If the spike would have been, let's say, somewhere at 160 or 165, I would have digested that. But where is $140, guys? Wow. $140 is here, guys. And right now in the price action and the structure, I'm not seeing any of that possibility going into this week. $140 puts are cooked, in my opinion. They're cooked. They're cooked. All right. They are the dinner. That's the dinner for the bears, or bulls gonna have the dinner for the bears. Anyways, yeah, it's just unfortunate. I'm still seeing a lot of puts are sitting, and I showed you the data in the last week video as well, that even after, I think these are more like people who were just like, oh, earnings will be bad, and they're just rolling it over. But yeah, I showed you, yeah, last week as well, puts kept increasing. Even though technicals were confirming to the upside after earnings, but puts kept increasing. So I think people were just doubling down, just not wanting to believe that Tesla's technicals are going to the upside. And as we have been talking about since the time after earnings as well, guys, Tesla has confirmed upside structure, and I have been saying this from here all throughout these videos. Check my videos out, guys, on Tesla. Just go to my channel. As I said, all the videos, check out those. That will give you all the understanding of the Tesla. At least check out last 3 technical videos on Tesla if you haven't seen those, okay? Now, coming back to the options here, I'm seeing 150 puts as well, another spike here. So let's see, 150, is that a possibility? Not quite, no. Well, that is the structure then has to become fully bearish, and as I said, structure is still to the upside even if it comes down to 152. 150 puts are not worth it. I mean, bottom line being, guys, unfortunately, puts are going to be cooked. I don't think there's money on the put side, but it'll be interesting to see how the options would look different, let's say tomorrow, because we'll see if puts are increasing more, right? But I'll show you this data tomorrow as well with the comparison on how things are changing on the options. Let's take a look at the calls. So we are seeing a good spike at 170 and 180. Right, so let's take both of these into account. So guys, 170 is very easy possible into the money, in my opinion, because we are in the uptrend, and 170 is where, yeah, we are. I think this is easily achievable, 170 calls, and I think these traders will make money, as long as we don't lose $164. This $170 calls are easy to get money into. $180 calls this week. Let's see if this is going to make money. Yep, that's a possibility. 180 as well. It's just two levels up, and Tesla has been doing what, average range of almost just shy of $9, right? So that's a possibility. We are just 2 days away if we continue that range. So by Friday expiration, yeah, that's a possibility. I won't go above in the options, at least above 180, because guys, your options, what are they going for? Let's say 180 above. Yeah, they're not expensive actually. Guys, here's the thing. Tesla's options out of above 180 are not that expensive. It just comes down to how much risk you're willing to take. I mean, that's just what, $33? Yeah, wow. I mean, I don't know if I ever saw such cheap options on Tesla. Puts, puts are expensive. Look at it. So if we go 160, that's $10 down almost. Well, let's say $8 down. And if we go $8 up, wow, guys, okay, so here's the thing. Go $8 down, that is 160, that's 1.48. And then go $8 up, that will be 176 almost. Calls are relatively cheaper. 101 point, yeah, wow. Even if you just go, $7 up and $7 down, yeah, well, relatively calls are cheaper. That's strange. Interesting. Well, because, yeah, oh wow. Yeah. Sorry, guys. Yeah, calls, yeah. They're relatively cheaper in the price, at least right now. So that's interesting. So I think by the expiration on Friday, we have a lot more upside. Well, we have more calls printing the money. It's interesting to see the options data, and that's my focus is these puts. I just don't know, guys, how they're going to make money. $140 puts. There's so much huge interest there, but I think they're going to be cooked. And calls, I think, guys, will make good money. 180 is possibility. $200, I would not count too much on that for this coming week, but again, this is Tesla. But $200 calls, I would a little bit stay away from for this week expiration. That's a little bit too far-fetched. How much are they going for? Let's see. 200. Wow. One option is going for $8. I mean, that's like what, your Starbucks coffee? Yeah, I think Starbucks coffee. I don't go to Starbucks, guys. I make my own coffee. Yeah, if I go to Starbucks, that's a waste of money. Like, I mean, if you just count, should I start my financial money management channel? Maybe I should. But anyways, um, yeah, like, I mean, yeah, okay, okay, a little bit I'm gonna go on a tangent here. Yeah, I don't go to Starbucks. I don't go to much restaurants outside because it's waste of money. I mean, I just don't like it. I like my fresh homemade food, and it helps my mood. I know I'm eating healthy, and I'm saving money. Like, if I do my budgeting, right? Like, I look up for, like, you can easily save a lot of money if you just even if you just do your food and all of this things properly. But anyways, what I'm trying to come to is $8. Is it worth the risk? Usually, when it comes to finances and trading especially, like, people would not think about twice before buying gift card or something out of just instant gratification, right? Or how marketing would make people think that, oh, you need this car or you need this device or whatever, but then they'll think so much something that will value them, right? Potential of making money, but people are not willing to take the risk, as in even if a very inexpensive risk, very cheap risk. When I say cheap risk, I mean inexpensive risk, but they would go and just spend money with no potential of return 5 times, 10 times than that. So yeah, this may look like, oh, $8, $200 one option call would not make money, but it's your choice. I'm not saying you should do it, but I mean, you can go down here as well. That's $33, right? So 187 one option. But it also depends how many options. But anyways, that's your decisions. I'm not here to tell you what you have to do. But it gives me a thought if I should start my money management channel as well. All right. All right, guys. So in my opinion, sorry for the tangent there, but yeah, in my opinion, calls will print the money. And things are looking like in the direction of calls. Traders on the put side are gonna go worthless. Most of them. The spike where 140 is impossible, in my opinion. And any call to above 164 is in a good room. And even above 160, any call above that is in a good room to make money to the upside. If you're looking to trade the puts, or if you want to get out of your puts, your best chance would be only if it loses 164, but then just get out of that put, whatever you make out of it. Don't hold it until expiration or whatever. Okay, if you get some money out and you're able to sell it, if you have to trade the put here, not to hold through the expiration, then your only way you can get out of it in money at this point if it loses 164 and $160. Okay, guys, that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. A lot more videos I have done on my channel. Check these videos out. If you're interested, Nvidia, Tesla, Riot, Microsoft, Broadcom, QQ, SPY will be coming out as well. You're not seeing here right now, but it will be out there soon with all other tech stocks. AMD, Palantir, Neo, ARM, guys, SMCI. Check these videos out. It will help you a lot. All right, with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.